Hello YouTube land, this is Stevie the Scotsman. I just want to make a really quick video here of how I was able to do a decent repair on this door latch for a 97 Blazer. What will typically happen on this vehicle is that the actual hinges will start to wear. There's a couple of bushings in here. You can buy the kit from Rock Auto, it's actually really cheap. So once you've done the bushings and the pins, you know, you'll no longer get any play in the door. But what's happened is people over time, they'll just slam the door and you'll end up with a piece of metal here that's pretty much fatigued. This is actually the back plate that the actual sits behind the metal, and typically this plate here that I'm grabbing would sit in front, so you'd have this, then this piece of metal, and then this behind it. I decided just to go in here, grab a piece of steel, and you can just use the other side of the vehicle to gauge dimensions and everything. So I used my little buddy. You've probably seen this on other videos, and I sound like a broken record here, but if you really want to save yourself a lot of money and even save a truck, and probably in this case, I mean, you're not going to drive a truck with the doors busted. I got a Millimatic 211 MIG welder, so you could probably do this with cold weld, but hey, I'm not a welder. But the only one welding advice would be, like, obviously you're going to set the machine on that thicker plate, and then just basically let the metal flow up there when you do it. So basically all I've done was, first of all, rip this out, cleaned up the metal, put in a coop in here. I think it's about 1/8 of an inch. What I ended up doing as well, I don't know if you can see it, there's like a bar here that I basically just used so that I can actually angle this, because otherwise it's going to be at a really bad angle, so that now here this will actually sit flush. So this is a really quick video. As I said, not everybody, I realise not everybody is a welder. You could try this with cold weld, but on these Chevy Blazers it might just give you some ideas. So hey, take care guys, all the best. This is Stevie the Scotsman, look after yourself.